Can you tell me about your state?
Meghalaya state, there are three tribes, especially
Hmm.
called Khasi, Garo, and Jaintia. Mainly these three tribes
Hmm.
are there. And other tribes also are there, like Koch, and Raba, and Hajong, Bengali, and we live very peacefully nowadays.
Can you tell us about the festival in Meghalaya?
Festivals like Sakshuk Mansim in Khasi Hills, especially in Khasi Hills, Sakshuk Mansim.
What are the biggest festival in Meghalaya?
Biggest festival in Meghalaya is Wangala dance,
Hmm.
and that is belong to Garo
Hmm.
tribe. Yeah, this Wangala dance is from Garo Hills, and another is Sakshuk Mansim
Hmm.
for Khasi community. These are the biggest festivals in Meghalaya.
Which languages are spoken in Meghalaya? Do they speak Hindi or some other languages? What is the main language in Meghalaya?
The main language is Garo language and Khasi. These two are the main language in Meghalaya. English is official language.
Okay.
Okay.
Hindi is not the official language in Meghalaya, na?
No.
Okay. English is the official language. Okay, I understood.
Official
And
language.
can you tell me something about the marriage system in Meghalaya? I have heard that, like it is not like other state. Meghalaya's marriage system is something different. I have heard that male person goes to their in-laws' house after their marriage. So is it true?
Yeah, it's true. When got married, they goes to their wife house.
Oh, it's really very interesting. Can you tell me more
When
about it? Is there any dowry system?
No, there is no dowry system. It's a love marriage system.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
Every man they goes to their wife house
oh,
in Meghalaya. Khasi, Garo, and Jaintia.
all of them have the same system.
All same, yeah. And
Wow.
they are Christian. They are Christians.
Oh, main religion is Christians in Meghalaya.
Yeah.
I think all the people are non-vegetarian, no?
Yeah, that's true. Non-vegetarian, yeah. Whatever we want to eat, yeah. Like mostly we eat like beef, beef, sir. Beef and pork.
So how can you get this pig from market or from jungle?
Yeah, we get from market also. They sell in the market. Pig. We eat goat also. GOAT goat.
So you don't have
Bakra.
any foundation and limitation. You eat all
No.
the things you want to eat.
Yeah.
Which meat you have tested? Tell me the list,
I test,
if possible.
yeah, I tested deer meat,
Mhm.
deer and fox, jungle fox, sir.
Ha.
We eat, yeah, pork. We
Rabbit,
eat like,
rabbit.
yeah,
Have you tested rabbit?
rabbit. No, I
Okay.
haven't.
So you have tested fox,
Yeah,
pig,
yeah.
cow,
Beef.
beef, cow,
Yeah.
buffalo.
Yes, buffalo. I tested buffalo.
You also tested deer.
Yeah, deer.
Okay, and any other animals? Dog. Have you tested dog?
Yes, dog. Yeah, I
Dog.
forgot.
Uh,
Yeah, it's dog.
have you tested rat?
No.
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 Acha. Cat.
No.
Okay.
Cat
Snake.
not.
Snake.
No. I never.
Any other animals?
No, that's it.
Birds. Any types of birds?
Birds, yeah, birds. Birds like crow.
Crow.
Yeah, crow.
So you have tested crow also. Okay.
Crow and pigeon.
I have
Yeah.
heard that if people eat crow, they will die. Is it true? No.
No, it's true.
You have
It's not
tested,
like
no?
that.
And you are in front of
Yeah,
me.
yeah.
So you have tested two birds, two meat of two birds.
Yeah.
Have you tested frog? Frog, frog. Meat of
Yeah. Frog. Yes. I
okay.
tested frog. Yeah.
Anything else?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much for today. See you in the next day. It's time to leave.
Thank you so much.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.